Oh, there's one. Yeah, it's all right. I think it's bigger than the other ones I was catching. Uh-oh. He's stuck on something. Get me out of there. Come on, buddy. Hold me out there. He's still on there, but he's hung up on something. Swim out there. Come on, Rufo, what are you doing? Yeah, I don't know. It feels like he's just wrapped around something, but I can't even swim back around it. There we go. Oh, he's still on it. I'm on somebody else's line with a fish, bro. I caught a fish and I caught, look, there's a bobber there, so I'm on somebody else's snagged line.
Is that a nice one?
I mean, it's okay. It's nice would be a stretch. I'm sorry, buddy. Look at this. Oh, I got him, I got him, I got him. Come on, man. You can't even make that up. Well, you were a fun one, buddy.